Ever wondered how Augury's vibration analysts diagnose machines? Hey, I'm Ben, a Reliability Success Manager at Augury, and today I'll show you how they help you keep your production lines running using AI. With our AI, our VAs can monitor and manage machines across dozens of sites at once. For our customers, it's like having a whole team of VAs, but powered by one person. One of our customers said it best. What I love about using Augury's platform is that it's not just about the equipment and the AI. It's about having a backup of experts in the business who know exactly what's going on with the machines and can see the data in real time. So what happens when an Augury VA receives an alert? Let's take a look at an example. In their inbox, VAs receive notifications that include Augury user questions, comments, and alerts from monitored machines. To help them focus on what needs to be addressed, our AI automatically detects and prioritizes developing faults for quick attention and removes machines that are acceptable coming out of baseline. This ticket is for a machine that we're detecting that has gear wear. This is what our VAs see as they dig into the data. They can review machine health over time, compare current readings with historical data, and use Augury's AI diagnostics recommendations to determine what's happening. Using these tools, we diagnosed gear wear on this gearbox. We can dive deeper into the data by selecting the features we want to look at in the platform. These features allow us to look at hundreds of data sets to provide accurate machine diagnostics. Let's look at a couple of tools available to you and our VAs. When we look at the data, we're looking for any rapid changes, like the spike we can see here in the vibration. With spectrum analysis, we can dive deeper into the details and zero in on specific frequency and potential vibration sources. The spectrum shows the vibration frequencies and their amplitudes, which are tied to the machine's rotational speed and the condition of its components. When we see peaks in the spectrum, they highlight frequencies related to specific machine parts. This tool helps us catch issues early, leading to less downtime and a longer lifespan for your equipment. Now check out another tool, the waterfall plot. It helps track how vibration frequencies shift over time, making identifying issues and diagnosing machine problems easier. The waterfall plot is great at detecting resonance when rotating parts create high energy levels and analyzing variable speed machines, showing how vibrations shift as the machine's load changes. Another tool is a forcing frequency table. This table tracks all the known vibration frequencies of machine components like motors, gears, bearings, and belts. It makes it easy for both our algorithms and VAs to spot trends and changes. When the frequencies coincide with known component frequencies, it can point to specific fault conditions and changes in severity. With a forcing frequency table, our VAs can input data to generate custom feature trends. And the feedback they provide directly influences and improves our models, driving continuous innovation for our machine health platform. So we've covered how our VAs can visually analyze data, but what about actually listening to machines? We can do that too, by playing the time waveform. Let's take a listen. Using tools like these to interpret the data, we can directly communicate with customers on the platform, providing specific feedback, visual evidence, and actionable steps so you can fix potential issues, sometimes before they're even detected by your teams. So that's how our VAs help you stay one step ahead of machine failures. For more information on our solutions, click the link below and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated on our latest product news and more.